Welcome back to the ticket setup series. In today's session, we're going to work through how to both customize Tikit Virtual Agent, change the icon, change the name, make it more culturally aligned to your brand, but also how to deploy Tikit Virtual Agent when you're ready for your end users to be able to create their own tickets, receive AI knowledge deflection, initiate service requests out of the service catalog, receive notifications, and things like that. Up to this point, we have been installing Tikit Virtual Agent manually, and we've been doing that by going over to apps here and searching for Tikit and adding Tikit Virtual Agent to our Teams experiences. And that's great when you're setting up Tikit and working through the setup and configuration of it. But when you're ready for your end users to be able to interact with Tikit Virtual Agent, you're going to want to push that across your business. And in order to do that, we're actually going to use Teams Admin Center to both customize and deploy Tikit Virtual Agent across your business. So we'll go ahead and travel over to Teams Admin Center. And to get there, you're going to go over to admin.teams.microsoft.com. And when you're there, there's a couple places you're going to interact with to both customize as well as deploy Tikit Virtual Agent. We'll first talk about the customization piece, and then we'll talk about the deployment. So to customize Tikit Virtual Agent, you're going to travel over to Teams Apps and go to Manage Apps. And on the right-hand side here, you can search for Tikit, and you'll see the two apps, Tikit and Tikit Virtual Agent. And Tikit Virtual Agent specifically can be edited. So what we'll do is we'll select Tikit Virtual Agent. And depending on the version of Admin Center you have, you'll either have an edit pencil right here. We're going through a refresh right now, so you may have it up here on the right-hand side, which is a customize option here. In either scenario, when you're ready to rename Tikit Virtual Agent, you have the ability to do that by customizing the app inside of your Admin Center experience. And you can customize it however you like. It's up to you. So you can change the short name, you can change the short description, the full description, the color icon, some accent colors, things like that. The image as well, apologies. I will actually go back over to Teams so you can now see like a little bit of a one-to-one. So if I go over to Tikit Virtual Agent and I hover my mouse over there, you'll see the icon, the name, the full description, things like that. Those are things that you can customize here. Now I'm going to leave mine as is. I like to keep my things out of the box, but if you were to rename Tikit Virtual Agent, a couple things to be aware of. One, when you click apply here, you'll be told that this will take about 24 hours to propagate across your business. And that's a key piece of information because if you're going to rename Tikit Virtual Agent prior to the deployment, which we always recommend you should, it will happen right away. But if you have already deployed Tikit Virtual Agent across your business, it will take 24 hours for that change to occur. So it's a key piece of data. If you're going to rename Tikit Virtual Agent and brand it, we always recommend doing that prior to the actual deployment. So once you land on a name for Tikit Virtual Agent, changing the short description, the full description, the icon, things like that, you're ready to deploy Tikit Virtual Agent. And that'll be the second part of this setup series example here, which is how to deploy Tikit Virtual Agent. Now, there's lots of ways to deploy Tikit Virtual Agent across Teams Admin Center. And we have a whole help article that walks you through it. It's called the TVA Setup Guide. It's very detailed. But most of our customers keep it really simple and use the setup policy, which is the global setup policy. So when you're ready to deploy Tikit Virtual Agent, you'll move over to setup policies. You'll go over to global here. The reason why most customers use the global is because they want to deploy Tikit Virtual Agent to all their end users that have Teams. And global is the default policy that all of your end users get. And by adding Tikit Virtual Agent to that policy, you're able to then automatically deploy Tikit Virtual Agent along with all of your other apps. So what you'll do here is add Tikit Virtual Agent to two places inside of that global policy. The first place will be Add Apps. And what you'll do is you'll search for Tikit Virtual Agent. Now, a little bit of a pro tip here. If you rename Tikit Virtual Agent to support or help or something like that, you're actually going to search for that here because it's been renamed now. I'll choose Tikit Virtual Agent here and I'll click add. And once you have it in the installed area, you're also going to want to pin it. So we'll move it up here we'll go up here to add apps and we'll search for Tikit Virtual Agent again. And we'll click add here. Now, sometimes when I'm here, I get the question, should we deploy Tikit as well this way? Now, again, Tikit is the agent app, not the end user app. And you can deploy Tikit this way, but you probably create a custom setup policy that's focused on just people in your support organization. So IT, facilities, HR. It wouldn't be the global one that goes to everyone because not everyone should get the Tikit app. They should get the Tikit Virtual Agent app. Now, once I have it in the installed area and the pinned area, the last thing I have a decision here is where do I want Tikit Virtual Agent to land? Now, something to bear in mind here is that Teams menu here is dictated by the customer's real estate, the employee's real estate on the menu. So if they have a shrunk screen, the less real estate you have, the less menu items show up. So it's just a key piece of data there. The next thing I always say is that Tikit Virtual Agent is kind of like a chat. So we see a lot of our customers move it below chat. We also see a lot of our customers move it to the root here of the menu system because this actually happens in a multi-team, multi-department experience once Tikit Virtual Agent is servicing facilities and HR and finance and things like that, because this is the place where the entire organization goes for help. And it's always sitting at the top of the Teams menu here. No matter where you decide to deploy it, once you click Save here, you will be told that this is a global policy. And it will go across the business. And this typically takes about 4 hours to 48 hours to fully push across the business. It's really dependent on your Azure environment and how propagation works and how fast it is. These are just apps that you're deploying, so we don't have any control over it. It's just a matter of propagation at this point. So again, what we've done today, we've customized Tikit Virtual Agent. We have deployed it across our business, and now everyone that has Teams in my business will receive it, and it will be deployed in my environment. It's named Tikit Virtual Agent still. It'll be pinned at the bottom there, and any new users that are provisioned in my business will automatically get it because of that global policy. I want to thank you for your time, and looking forward to seeing you on the next one.